T-shirts to gift. Hello! I got a package, and that only means one thing. Unboxing! The package came from Spain, and I'm very excited to open it because I did not order this. This is a gift, and I cannot even tell what's inside. Oh my god. I love Argentina. Oh my god. Oh my lord. Wait, I have a tear to open. What? Wait, what? Wait. Oh my god. Celta de Vigo. Oh wow. Okay, okay. Some people know what's my second favorite La Liga team. I did not have the best day today, and this literally put a smile on my face, and I'm so grateful.